Here I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, language, and add a language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. So let's pick, for example, maybe Ukrainian, and then to set it as a system language, tap set as default, and then language will be changed to the Ukrainian. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the налаштування, then to the система, мова та спосіб ведення, мова, and drag English on top, and after that language will be changed to the English automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.